All kinds of birds. Those are blackbirds or grackles or starlings maybe. It's like some creepy movie. And all the birds here and all the frogs over there. There's thousands of them. Oh yeah, I hear you guys. Yeah. I'm a coyote. Pretty cool. 2023. This is Illinois, the wetland habitat along farm fields if it's stewarded and allowed to be here in 2023. Just found a random trail and rode my bike down it. Docked my bike a ways away and found some pretty cool frogs like starting to come out. And then I guess they're friends, the birds. Look at them all. Oh yeah! Life, planet Earth. Pretty nice out.